Dear students, I am going to start question number 4 from exercise 9.3. In question number 4, we are given two parts. First part, A part is simplify 3x, then within bracket 4x minus 5 plus 3 and find its values at x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 1 by 2. So the given expression is 3x 4x minus 5 within bracket plus 3. Now we will simplify this expression. So 3x 4x minus 5 plus 3 is equal to 3x will be multiplied with 4x, then 3x will be multiplied with minus 5. So we got 3x into 4x becomes 12x square and 3x into minus 5 becomes minus 15x then plus 3. So we have simplified the given expression. Now we have to put first part, put x is equal to 3 in 12x square minus 15x plus 3. So when we will put x is equal to 3, we got 12 3 square. For x we have put 3 minus 15 then 3 plus 3. Now it becomes 12 into 3 square is 9 minus 15 into 3 is 45 then plus 3. Now 12 into 9 is 108 minus 45 plus 3. So 108 plus 3 minus 45. So 108 plus 3 becomes 111 minus 45, and on subtracting 45 from 111 we got 66 as our answer. Second part of this part A of question number 4, we have to put x is equal to 1 by 2 in expression which we have simplified as 12x square minus 15x plus 3. Now on putting x is equal to 1 by 2 we got 12 1 by 2 square minus 15 1 by 2 then plus 3. Now 12 into 1 square is 1 and 2 square is 4. So 1 by 4 minus 15 into 1 by 2 becomes 15 by 2 then plus 3. Now 4 and 12 will cancel with table of 3. So we got 3 minus 15 by 2 plus 3. Now 3 plus 3 they will be added. So we got 6 minus 15 by 2 and we will take the LCM. LCM of 1 and 2 is 2. On simplifying we got 12 minus 15 and subtracting 12 minus 15 we got minus 3 and by 2. So our answer is minus 3 by 2. Now moving to B part of question number 4, we are given the expression. The given expression is a square plus a plus 1 plus 5. First of all, we will simplify this expression. A square plus a plus 1 is equal to a will be multiplied plus 5. Now a will be multiplied with all the terms within the bracket. So it becomes a cube plus a square plus a plus 5. Now we have simplified our given expression. Now we can easily put values of a. So first is put a is equal to 0 in a cube plus a square plus a plus 5. So it will become 0 plus 0 plus 0 and plus 5. We got our answer as 5. Now second part of this B part is put a is equal to 1. A is equal to 1 in a cube plus a square plus a plus 5. It becomes a cube means 1 cube then 1 square, then 1 plus 5. Now 1 cube is 1, 1 square is also 1, and 1 plus 5, it becomes 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 5 comes out to be 8 as answer. Then third part is put a is equal to minus 1 in a cube plus a square plus a plus 5. Now here we have to be careful because now a is minus 1. So we will write minus 1 cube plus minus 1 square plus minus 1 plus 5. Now minus 1 cube means minus is multiplied 3 times, means odd times. So it comes to be minus 1. Minus 1 raised to power 2, that is even, so it becomes 1. Then minus 1 to the power 1 means odd, so it becomes minus 1. Then plus 5. Now minus 1 and plus 1 gets cancelled. So we got minus 1 plus 5, and subtracting them we got 4. So our answer is 4. So with this part, our question number 4 is complete. Yes students, in question number 5 we have to add, or in some parts we have to subtract the given algebraic expression. So first part of question number 5, we are given 3 algebraic expressions. So first expression is p minus q, and we will simplify it. P into p becomes p square, and p into minus q becomes minus pq. Now second expression, in second expression we have q minus r. So q into q becomes q square, and q into minus r becomes minus q r. Then third expression is r minus p. It becomes r square minus rp. Now we have to add all these 3 expressions. So we will add them. P square minus pq plus q square minus qr plus r square minus rp. Now you can see no term in this all expression is like term. So they will be added, and we will write the answer in the descending order of their power. So it will be written as p square plus q square plus r square minus pq minus qr minus rp. This is our answer. Now B part is, we are given 2 expressions and we have to add them. First expression is 2x z minus x minus y. On simplifying it, we got 2x into z becomes 2xz. Then 2x into minus x is minus 2x square. Then 2x into minus y becomes minus 2xy. Now second expression is 2y z minus y minus x. Now on solving it or simplifying it, 2y into z becomes 2yz. 2y into minus y becomes minus 2y square. Then 2y into minus x becomes minus 2yx. Now we have to add them. So I'm doing this part by writing the columns, the term, both the expressions vertically. So first expression was 2xz minus 2x square minus 2xy, and second was 2yz. Now there is no term like term resembling to 2yz, so we will write it separately on right side. 2yz minus 2y square, no like term, so minus 2y square will be written also here. Now minus 2yx. And we have here in first expression the term minus 2xy. Yx or xy are the like terms because order of variable does not matter. So we will write this term 2yx or xy. We will write it as minus 2xy. Now we have to add them. So we will put the sign of addition. Now on adding we got from right side minus 2y square plus 2yz. Now minus 2xy and minus 2xy becomes minus 4xy, and then minus 2x square. There will be no change in sign because we are adding the terms, and 2xz. Now we will write the answer in the descending order of their powers. So minus 2x square minus 2y square, then minus 4xy. Other terms can be written in any order. Then plus 2xz plus 2yz. This is our answer. Now, C part of this question, we are given two terms and we have to subtract them. Now, one expression in the third part is C part, 3L, then L minus 4M plus 5N. Now on simplifying we got 3L into L, 3L square, 3L minus into minus 4M becomes minus 12LM, then 3L into plus 5N becomes plus 15LN. Now second expression we have 4L 10n minus 3m plus 2l. Now we will solve the bracket. 4l into 10n becomes 40ln, then minus 12lm, and then 8l square. Now we have to subtract the first expression from the second. So second will be written first. 40ln minus 12 LM plus 8L square. Now we will write the like terms one below other. In first expression we have 3L square. It will be written below 8L square. Then minus 12LM will be written below 12LM. Like terms written together one below other. Then 15LN. Now we have to subtract the, so we will change the sign of the first terms of first expression. So 15ln means it is positive, so it is it will change its sign, so it will be negative. Now here it is minus 12lm, it becomes plus, and here 3l square becomes minus. Sign will be changed. Now on subtracting we got 8l square minus 3l square become 5l square, 12lm and plus 12l, both the terms are like terms, same with same coefficient and opposite sign, so they will get cancelled. 40ln minus 15ln becomes 25ln. So our answer is 25ln plus 5l square. This is our answer. Now D part and last part of this question is we have to subtract. See here also we are given two expressions. One expression is 3a plus b plus c minus 2b a minus b plus c. Now on simplifying, 3a into a becomes 3a square plus 3ab plus 3ac minus 2ba or 2ab minus 2b into minus b becomes plus 2b square, and then minus b 2b and into c becomes minus 2bc. Now this is our first expression. Now second expression is 4c then minus a plus b plus c. Now when we will simplify it, 4c into minus a becomes minus 4ac, then plus 4bc, and then last term is 4c into c becomes plus 4c square. Now we have to subtract the first from second. So second expression will be written first. Second expression is minus 4ac plus 4bc plus 4c square. Now see, in first expression we have 3a square plus 3ab plus 3ac minus 2ab plus 2b square minus 2bc. Now we will subtract first expression from the second. So we will write the terms in horizontal. In this question, this part I am going to do in a horizontal way. So first expression, second expression will be written, then I will write the first, and outside the bracket there will be minus sign because we have to subtract the first expression. So it will become minus 3a square plus 3ab plus 3ac minus 2ab plus 2b square minus 2bc. Now we will open the bracket, minus 4ac plus 4bc plus 4c square. Now see, all the sign within the bracket will change. All the terms will change the sign when they will come out from the bracket. So because outside the bracket we have negative sign. So minus 3a square minus 3ab minus 3ac. Now it here minus 2ab becomes plus 2ab, then minus plus 2b square becomes minus 2b square, and minus bc becomes plus b 2bc. Now we have to see if there is any like term. So first of all we will write the terms in a descending order of power. So you can see the terms containing power 2 are 3 terms, 3a square minus 3a square minus 2b square and plus 4c square. So we will write first minus 3a square, then minus 2b square, then plus 4c square. Now comes to other terms. See, minus 4ac and minus 3ac both are like terms. So they will be added. Minus 4ac and minus 3ac becomes minus 7ac. Now next we have the terms BC, 4BC and then 2BC. 4BC and 2BC becomes 6BC. Now all the terms of first expression are completed. Now come to the next terms and see whether there is any like term or not. See, again I am repeating, minus 3a square minus 2b square plus 4c square. They are written first because their power is 2. Then minus 4ac minus 3ac are like terms. 4 and 3 become 7 and both are negative. So we will write minus 7ac. Then 4bc plus and 2bc plus becomes plus 6bc. Now we are left with minus 3ab and then minus 3ab now and plus 2ab. Plus minus minus 3ab plus 2ab becomes minus ab. Now we got our answer as minus 3a square minus 2b square plus 4c square minus 7ac plus 6bc minus ab. With this part, our question number 5 and exercise 9.3 is completed. I have done some parts by horizontal method and some by vertical method, so that you should be aware of both the methods. and which one seems easy to you, you can use that method in the exams. So in next video we will start exercise 9.4.